Imagine living in a community where everything you need is just minutes away. Major shopping and dining, just right around the corner.
Robin's Air Force Base,
just a short drive away. This is the lifestyle that awaits you at 108 Swainsons Court. Now, this home is zoned for some of the area's top-rated schools. MacArthur Elementary School, Perry Middle School, and Veterans High School are just minutes from your doorstep. And for golf lovers, Houston Lake Country Club is practically in your backyard. Enjoy weekends on the course or relaxing with friends. And now let's talk about this amazing home. This 2020 build, all brick beauty, sits on a quiet cul-de-sac, offering privacy and charm. The moment you step inside, you're greeted by this bright and open floor plan. Low maintenance LVP flooring keeps life easy, and this fireplace, perfect for cozy evenings at home. The kitchen is both functional and stylish, with granite countertops, custom cabinetry, and a huge walk-in pantry giving you space and storage. And the formal dining room is ready for family dinners and holiday gatherings. With 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, this home has place for everyone. This main bedroom is your private retreat. With a spa-like ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet, it's everything you need to unwind. And the outdoor space is just as inviting as the inside. .108 Swainsons Court isn't just a house, it is the lifestyle upgrade you've been waiting for. If this feels like home to you, call, text, or message me today to schedule your private showing.